We know people by who they are, but we occasionally pay attention to how they become. Simply put, we get impressed by famous personalities and hope to become like them, but don't take account of their failures, disappointments, adversity, struggles, persistence, and hard work that led to success. The truth is, almost all successful people have struggled at some point or the other, and this is how their lives become inspirational stories. Cristiano was born in Madeira and comes from a very poor family. His early life was filled with struggles. His father was a gardener who was an alcoholic and in 2005 died from liver failure. His mother worked as a cook and a cleaning lady so she can provide a hot meal for the family.
I was brought up with nothing. We were very poor. I had no toys and no Christmas presents. I shared a room with my brother and two sisters, and my parents slept in the other.
When Cristiano Ronaldo was playing for Sporting Lisbon at the age of 15, his career almost ended before it began. Cristiano was diagnosed with a heart condition that unfortunately made his heart race even when he was not running or playing. He had to undergo a heart surgery that successfully fixed the problem. So finally he could run, practice, and focus on the thing that was most important, which is achieving his dream. In 2003, Cristiano Ronaldo signed a £15 million contract and became the first Portuguese player to be part of Manchester United. After he joined the team and secured himself a future as a football star, Sir Alex Ferguson insisted on giving him the number 7 jersey. In 2009, when Cristiano Ronaldo made a move from Manchester United to Real Madrid, he became the most expensive footballer in history in a transfer worth €94 million. After nearly a decade, his career with Real Madrid ended when Ronaldo signed a 4-year contract with Juventus with a transfer worth €100 million. The transfer was the highest ever for a player over 30 years old. But he, like every human being, had difficulties, failures, and disappointments. But his incredible capability to focus, work hard, and build his skills every day made him who he is today.
I am not a perfectionist, but I like to feel that things are done well. More important than that, I feel an endless need to learn, to improve, to evolve, not only to please the coach and the fans, but also to feel satisfied with myself. It is my conviction that here are no limits to learning, and that it can never stop, no matter what our age.
From a very young age, Cristiano Ronaldo always believed in himself, no matter how tough the situation was and no matter the odds.
In my mind, I am the best player in the world.
What this teaches us is that we don't have to be the best in the world. We just need to be the best version of ourselves. See you soon with a new motivational story nuggets. Till then, keep your dreams alive.